Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video just to motivate me to continue making these videos and sharing the knowledge for free. You do not pay for anything. If you are looking to download Forex books, indicators, robots and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Okay, let's get into today's video. So, I'm often asked the question, especially by beginning traders, um, should I learn trading by myself or should I just go ahead and buy a robot and use it to trade? Definitely no need to learn trading myself. I'll just plug in the robot and follow the rules that are provided with the robot. That sounds like a tempting idea. Why spend nights and days learning forex trading when you can simply plug in a robot that you probably bought from somewhere, and voila, you are raking in thousands of dollars? But it's not as easy as that in the real world. First of all, the markets are ever changing, and sometimes you find that the lifespan of a robot is usually something like 2 or 3 years. After that, you might find that that robot is needing updates or is now starting to lose money. So, my advice definitely is you need to learn trading yourself as a person, as a human. You need to understand what's happening in the market. Trading robot is like having an axe, or probably having a car, or probably having a tool. It's just a tool that if you do not have the right knowledge, you can either misuse or it can easily get you into lots of trouble. So, my advice will be that take time to learn to trade as a person. Take time to find your edge in the market as a person. When you understand what you are looking at, when you understand what you're doing, it's very easy to translate that into a forex robot or into code. It's very easy when you have an approach that works for you to take that approach, that rules-based approach, and translate it into a robot that has simply trained your trading style. Unlike you know nothing about the market and you're just relying on a robot to do all the decisions or the trading on your behalf. What happens when that robot crashes, or when that robot no longer wants to work, or something happens with that robot and you do not even know what's happening? So I always encourage people to learn trading manually. Then, after understanding what's happening in the markets or understanding what you're doing, it's very easy to take what is working for you and to translate that into an automated trading system. Don't go out there and just be tempted to buy these things that are being offered on the internet, especially the internet. Stay away from all these fancy luxury style promotions that are offered on Instagram and stuff like that. That is marketing. That is marketing. It's just marketing. People just want you to buy their products, which is their forex robots, and that's it. Most of those things do not work. Some of them they do work with a decent amount of tweaking. That's the other thing. Some of the forex robots, not all of them are bad. Some of them, they actually need you to invest a lot of time into tweaking them. Now, if you have no idea of how the market is working, how the market moves, or what the market does, you do not know how to tweak this thing. You do not know how to use this thing. You do not know why this thing is behaving the way that is behaving. So, before buying forex robots, you need to understand trading yourself. Yes, there's a temptation to just go out there and buy a robot and let it do all this buying and selling, and you just sit back and collect the cash. But if it were that easy, trust me, everyone would be making lots of money. Everyone will be making lots of money. I've made a few robots myself. I've bought a few robots myself. I've been given a few robots. I know this thing about forex robots. Automated trading can be profitable, but you need to understand what's going on. You need to understand what's going on. So, should you learn trading as a person, as a human, or should you just go and buy a trading robot? You have your answer. Learn to trade. Learn to trade. Devote time to learn to trade. If this is what you want to be doing for the rest of your life, or if this is what you want to be doing in the long term, learn to trade. Now that you understand what you're doing, then it's easy to get an automated system that suits your kind of trading. You know how you trade. Then you can simply translate that into a forex robot. So don't be tempted to just go out there and buy a robot and think it's going to just like magically make you tons of money, and you don't even need to learn a single strategy. I hope this video helps somebody. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, books, indicators, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.